Good evening. Meteorologist Brian Wolf here. And now that the rain is mostly done for our area, aside from a few showers, let's look and see how much rain we've received in the last 12 hours. So, right now we're looking at the QPE, that's the quantitative precipitation estimate. So, that's a radar derived product showing how much rain we've received. So, if we look really across the area here, you can see where southern Orange, southern Washington County has really received around an inch, maybe with some isolated spots of more than an inch. And this is again in just the past 12 hours. North, so we're talking Salem, Campbellsburg, French Lick. We're actually talking somewhere around a half an inch, half to 3/4 of an inch. And that extends down towards English, Marengo, Palmyra, Borden in there right around an inch in the last 12 hours. So again, much needed rain, especially with the drought conditions we've been seeing. We really want this precipitation to have come down slow and not cause any flash flooding. And indeed, it has done that. Let's take a look at the current satellite view. I like this satellite view. It's geocolor, so it actually shows the real color of the Earth. You can even actually see off and to the east, you can actually see the sunset coming in there from like Newfoundland, Canada, where it's getting darker. But to set the stage, we can see this counterclockwise rotation over southern Missouri and northern Arkansas. That's where the low pressure system is currently located. And with that, we have the cold front that stretches up across south central Illinois and up towards central Indiana. That's still got to move through the area, so we're going to see a lot of clouds. And with that, a few showers are possible. You can see this is the current radar. Again, we've just kind of got some brief scattered showers, nothing significant, nothing heavy, but nice and light. We will be dealing with that really up until the early morning hours tomorrow, just off and on. Where you kind of know where the cold front position is actually relative to where you see the winds coming out of the north, indicating that the front has passed a location to the south. So we can really see that there around Indianapolis, just south of Indianapolis, probably right around Martinsville, headed towards Bloomington. And we're recording this around 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. Now, future radar. This is kind of what we're looking at here. We're going to see, again, some scattered showers, more concentrated and heavy as you actually head south towards the Ohio River and even south into Kentucky, where you could still pick up another 1 to 2 inches of rain down probably right around E-Town. And then what we're expecting out of these showers, again, not very much. This is the QPF. This is the quantitative precipitation forecast. How much are we still expected to see coming up? And as you can see, the vast majority of this is along and south of I-64. As we turn our attention towards the next 7 days, we can see it's looking pretty good, right? We've still got to clear out in terms of tomorrow, some gradual clearing throughout the day, showers again early before daylight hours, and then get out your sunglasses. We've got plenty of sun coming up Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, even mostly sunny through Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures approach the 80s again. And remember, the next 6 to 10 days is looking pretty dry. So be sure to tune in tomorrow while we can detail just what kind of temperatures you're looking for this weekend.